everyone, welcome to Thai Food for FARANG. So nice to see you again. My name is Summer. I'm the chef from Thai Box on Truck. And usually I show you how to make Thai main dish. But today I'm gonna show you how to make Thai appetizer. And this appetizer is very popular in Thailand and also well known in Canada. And I believe if you go to Thai restaurant, you would order this dish. And it's called Thai vegetarian spring roll. And I choose this dish because if you don't eat meat, you still can have this dish. So let's see what do we need for the vegetarian spring roll. The vegetarian spring roll, what we need, the first thing is egg roll sheet, and then silver noodles. The silver noodles you put in the warm water for 5 minutes and then cut it, make it shorter. Shredded cabbage, shredded carrot, garlic 1 tablespoon, cilantro, and then salt 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon brown pepper, and 1 tablespoon sugar, seasoning sauce 2 tablespoons, oil for half cup, and then we need the tapioca powder with the hot water, so it will look like this. This one we need it when we wrap it. First thing what we need is we put the oil in the hot pan. Then garlic. Then you put all the sauce that we prepare. So wait until it's hot. And we have to cook, we have to deep fry again. The veggie will be cooked again. Perfect. That you stir fry, put in the bowl first. Let it cool down. After we stir fry the vegetable, we put the silver noodles in there and mix it. After you mix the silver noodles with the vegetarian that you stir fry, then that's what we have right now. And then you peel the egg roll sheet become like this, piece by piece. And now we start make the roll, spring roll. So I'm going to show you how to roll the spring roll. You have an egg roll sheet and put it like this way. Then get some vegetarian, the one that you already made, this much, and then you put like this, pull it back to yourself, and then roll it on the side, put it like this, and then close the other side like this, and then roll it. When you roll it, try to hold it tight and keep rolling, and you have like this much space to put the tapioca flour that we already made. So this one, it won't come off. Is that nice? Vegetarian spring roll is ready to serve. You can serve with the Thai sweet chili sauce, and you can buy this from the store, whichever brand you like. If you like our video, please click like and subscribe, and follow us next time